How to make thumbnails for your videos on YouTube using AI. So after you logged in into your own account, click on that edit video. So edit video. Here on the left side we have thumbnail, and if it's enabled, because it's not always enabled, below the thumbnail we have this button which is called Get Suggestions, and it has that 4-pointed star. So click on that Get Suggestions, and here on the right side it's retrieving your request and it's analyzing and thinking and so on. You have to wait a little bit, and then you will get 1 or 2 or maybe even 3 thumbnail suggestions. So let's wait a few moments until this finishes. This is analyzing your entire channel. It's analyzing the title, the description, if there is any. It's analyzing the video itself. So if there is a person or animal or object in your video, then it's taking in consideration everything, and it's generating a custom thumbnail with text on it. And here we have the thumbnails. So that's one of the thumbnails. You have to click on the download button. Okay, and if you scroll down, you get another thumbnail. There is no third one. Okay, and this has some text also on it. So click on the download button in the upper right corner. I already have a ton of thumbnails there. It's a PNG file. Click on the save button. It was downloaded, and now by going to the thumbnail, to the 3 dots, click on change, and now click on the thumbnail that you just downloaded and open button, and the thumbnail was applied. Click on save, and we just got an artificial intelligence created beautified thumbnail which has something in common with the contents of your own video. So it's not a totally different thumbnail, it's really related to the contents of that YouTube video. Here's another video. The thumbnail contains the word cuckoo. It's the song of a bird, and that is also placed onto the thumbnail, cuckoo calls. And it's beautified, a sunshine was added to it, and the image is a little bit sharper compared to the original. So it is a beautified version of the original. Download, save, upload file, that one, open and save, and you can close that window.